Okay guys, this is a 2000 Chrysler 300M. Heat was only coming out the windshield. Had to change the mode door activator. To do that, first step was to remove this side panel, access to the fuse box. That allows the bottom panel under here to be removed, which is the color of the car, a cream one. And then behind that is a metal shield attached by 4 bolts, which is this panel up here. I got attached to the steering wheel currently because it has a wire connection, a harness that is pretty difficult to come out, and it actually didn't need to be removed. Got it out of the way. Of course, all the duct work that comes to the driver's side up onto here had to be removed. Same for the passenger side, I'll show you in a minute. But the purpose of this was twofold. One is to get to this white connector up here, which goes to the heat mode activator, heat mode door. The heat blend door activator, which is tucked up behind there, as you could see, and you may have seen in other videos from Hot Rods Wood Shop. It's in a very difficult spot, but that is what controls the heat blend door actuator. That is it. This one still works. I got the wrong parts from Rock Auto. It wasn't well specified. I got 2 of the same. One was by Mopar, which came in this package here from Mopar. But this is actually the mode door actuator, which is for the passenger side, right behind the radio. Of course, to get to that required taking out the entire console in the middle, all the bezels and everything else, tape deck, CD, radio, all had to come out. Also, I left this attached so that I can do a diagnostic test when I was finished putting in the mode door activator. However, to get out the side panel on the passenger side, which is over here, to get out the side panel that was here, that required removing the bezel for the shifter, floor shifter. And to do that, you need to take off the knob, of course, which is in with an Allen wrench. My advice for that is, of course, when you start this job, disconnect the negative terminal. Safer that way. But of course, before you disconnect, you're going to have to put the car into the manual shift. This is a manual as well as automatic. Pull it all the way back down to the manual. I just covered it with a rag so that I don't get stabbed in my armpit or anywhere else while working. But yeah, it's necessary to remove the center console in order to get out the kick panel from the passenger side. And that is where you need to access the mode door activator, which is right behind all these wires I got in the way here, but it's right behind the radio. If you can see a little bit of it, that's it up in there where the light's on. That's the mode door activator. You can access it through the front panel here as well. I was able to access it through the front panel here with my left hand, and also from down below here to get to the 1 bolt with my right hand. I'm not sure if you can see it from that angle, but anyway, to get out that, and that was easy. That's not mode door is not very difficult after you get rid of all the panels that are in the way. Once you get past that, to change that heat blend activator. It's a bear. As wood shop, hot rod wood shops, it's a shitty engineering design. It sure is. I thought this car has ducts that go to the back uh, to heat and cool the rear seat passengers. It comes on either side of this gear shift console and comes out in the back seat. Well, the ductwork that is connected to it is right in front of that heat actuator. I thought I could release a pin and get the middle section out back onto there, but I couldn't. It doesn't work. There's not enough space to get out the middle piece for the rear vent work. So right now everything is working. I got the mode door activator back in yesterday, actuator back in there yesterday. Mother tested it. I ran my diagnostics. All's well. Since I was so far in the belly of the beast, I was contemplating changing the heat blend actuator, but that part's not coming until the 2nd of May. So I think right now I'm going to just take my chances, leave the original one in there from factory. Yep, it's 23 plus years old. This is a 2000, as I mentioned, and this is 2023. So I might just take the chance and see how much longer it'll go. Hopefully it wouldn't go. And I'll be lucky. But guys, that's it. A real tough job. Got to be patient and disciplined. And as I said, 2 important things is get the shift into the auto stick position, which allows it to come all the way back from the dash, so you can have easy access to take out the radio and CD player. And oh, by the way, you also have to disconnect the park brake cable, so which is up under there. What I'd advise is get the car on a level ground. If it's not, or if it's on level or not level, put some blocks under the wheel so the car can't roll forward or backward, because after the battery is disconnected and the car is in auto stick, for some reason it still rolls down my slope driveway. So and with the battery disconnected, the brakes don't work too great. So just word of warning. All right guys, hope this helps somebody. And yep, 2000 Chrysler 300M, 97,000 miles, just 97, just past 97,000. It's 97 and 20. So figure I'll take my chances and replace this stuff, but it's a bear. Be disciplined, be patient, you'll get it done. Over and out. Peace.